What is wind damage?
Good morning. This is what a wind damaged roof looks like. So there you have a couple missing tabs, more missing tabs, bunch of missing tabs, bunch of missing tabs. This is what's considered a wind damaged affected roof. Here's some more. This whole area got ripped off. This whole area got ripped off. This whole area got ripped off. Clearly missing tabs. There's some missing. There's some more missing. But yeah, that's what wind damage looks like. Of course, the tabs might be somewhere on the ground. Thanks.